I have seen flaxseed gel for healthy hair all over the internet. And to be honest, I didn't know you could make gel from a seed. It's pretty mind-blowing. I don't know about you, but I'm quite upset and disappointed that all the famous hair YouTubers who do all these masks and DIY stuff for their hair have amazing hair. Not because of the hair masks they do, but because they have amazing hair already. They've got good genes and perfect hair health. That doesn't really work out for me. So I'm going to be using flaxseed gel for 96 hours, almost a week, and give you an honest review of what it does to my hair and if it helps with my hair loss. So let's make it. You are going to need organic flaxseed, linked in the description, but be sure it's organic. Use 1 cup of flaxseed and 2 cups of filtered or distilled water. Turn up the heat and let it simmer for around 6 minutes, making sure you mix it often. When you see white froth in the top of the mixture, check the mixture. If the mixture is too runny like this, then you have to keep stirring and heating it up, and you may need to add more flaxseed. If it's too thick and doesn't really run, then you need to add more water. Once you have the perfect egg white texture, it's time to take off the heat and strain it with a muslin cloth. I'll be honest, I made a complete mess of this stage because I bought a muslin cloth that didn't have big enough holes. I also didn't wait for it to cool down, so I literally burnt my hand. So don't do that, folks. It's really difficult to strain, so I found a much easier way to do it. Once you let the mixture cool down, the gels sort of sit at the top, so I was just able to pour it out whilst making sure the flaxseed stayed in the pot. Simples. You can store your mixture in a fridge and use it within 7 days. Flaxseed is so wonderful for the hair. It has many health benefits. It nourishes and seals the cuticle as it has nutrients like magnesium, vitamin E, and helps reduce free radical damage. It's also full of omega-3 fatty acids that help treat the scalp. If you have a scalp that is damaged, then this is the DIY treatment for you. It's full of omega-3 fatty acids that help treat the scalp, prevent hair loss, and promote hair growth. Some studies have shown that omega-3 may help prevent hair loss and even dandruff. It adds moisture and shine to your hair, improving the elasticity of your hair. It gives you that salon treatment without the price tag or chemical. This seed is a powerhouse of good stuff, not just for your hair regimen, but also for your diet. Eating flaxseed is so good for you, and I'm gonna start incorporating it into my diet. Right, now for the fun part. Let's apply it. Got my jug of flaxseed gel and I'm going to apply it to my hair. This is the consistency of the gel. And I'm applying it on wet hair because I'm going to test something out. I'm going to see if this gel gives me defined curls. So I'm going to just put a lot on all of my hair. A nice cool feeling. I don't want to go overboard with the gel. It's good because it's kind of it's not going to get messy, because if the gel goes somewhere else, you can literally just plop it off and put it into your hair. ASMR. I'm going to leave it overnight. I'm going to wrap it up, put it in a bonnet. Hi guys. So it's been pretty much 24 hours since I put the flaxseed gel in my hair, and I'm really happy with the results. It's so lightweight. So I left it in my hair overnight and I woke up and this is what my hair looks like. It's so cute, and my hair feels really soft. So I haven't even washed it out. It's just in my hair, and it's giving me these really nice cute little waves. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to rinse this out and then I'm going to reapply it, and this time instead of letting it air dry, I'm going to diffuse it. I'll be honest guys, it doesn't smell at all, and this is a big breakthrough because I did fenugreek a month ago. My hair still smelled of fenugreek literally oh no, 3 weeks after. So I think this might be my go-to new ingredient. So I am going to rinse my hair out with cold water, and then I'm just gonna let it, and then I'm gonna apply the flaxseed gel again on wet hair. But look guys, it looks quite really nice and soft. Normally when my hair air dries, this is what my hair looks like. It's not a pretty sight. Look at these little curls. Wow. Hey guys, so I've rinsed it out. I had minimal shedding, like hardly anything. I got my flaxseed gel. So this is day 2 of flaxseed gel. It's kept its jelliness. It literally looks like egg white or something else. My hair still has a bit of gel on it because I didn't shampoo, I just rinsed it out. Once it dries, you can't really touch it because it will go a bit flaky. Obviously, don't forget the scalp region. But so far, I've been really impressed with this DIY hair mask. Literally my favorite. I'm like such a good person to do it on because my hair is really dry and brittle. So, you know those people that have like amazing, beautiful, shiny hair, not naming any names on YouTube, they just literally were born with it. Like they came out the womb and they had amazing hair. Those types of people that do those DIY stuff, I'm just like, bro, your hair literally looks the same. Yeah, I don't want to go overboard, but I think I've gone overboard with it. Let's put it in my scalp. Okay, so now for the fun part, for the experiment, I'm gonna diffuse my hair now.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the final result. It just looks like I put a bit too much mousse on, so I put a bit too much flaxseed gel on. It's like a cute wet look. Maybe, kind of. I look like a drowned rat, but we're gonna work with it. Hello, beautiful people. So this is day 2 of flaxseed gel hair. Last time you saw me, I put flaxseed gel in my hair and then I've kept it in for 2 days. Like I haven't washed it out or reapplied it. I've just kept it in. And I've had so many nice compliments from my friends that my hair looks really nice, like curly and stuff. So I'm actually really liking this as like a mousse kind of treatment. Like you can literally just put it in and go out. Like it's actually quite cool. So what I'm gonna do, so I just wanted to show you guys and come on here. So when I first put the flaxseed gel in my hair, it was hard, like my hair was hard, but now it's like really curly and soft and nice, and it's giving me so much volume. Like the volume is great. Like wow, I got so much hair on my head. So I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm gonna see like the final result. So this is day 4 of flaxseed gel. We're gonna wash it out and see what it looks like. Once I've taken it out, I have noticed actually not, when you diffuse it, you don't get those like white little bits, but when you just let it air dry, you have sometimes little like white flecks if you touch it too much. So that's something to note. But yeah, so I'll see you guys after I've washed it out my hair. Bye. Hi, it's me again. Hi. Verdict. I really have liked doing this flaxseed gel. A, because it doesn't smell, it has no aroma, and that's a big thing for me because I'm not gonna lie, fenugreek still stinks in my hair right now. B, because not only does it moisturize your hair, but it also gives you the curl and hold for your curls, which is so important because you're getting a mousse or gel without any of the nasty chemicals. It's just pure flaxseed, which is amazing. It has made my hair really shiny. And I think one of the things that I think it's done more than anything is made it more voluminous. My hair is not only shiny, but it's got a lot of volume, which for someone who suffers from hair loss, sorry, the sun is so bright. Someone who suffers from hair loss, like this is the ideal situation. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, like it is giving me all of the voluminous vibes. So yeah, so really easy to use, like no mess, because if you get the gel anyway, you can just wipe it off. Like it doesn't like leave any residue or give you any like smelly after smell. Like it's just absolutely fine. So I'm giving this DIY treatment like a 10 out of 10, and I will very much recommend. If you want to see more of my DIY treatments, check out my fenugreek hair treatment. I thought that was quite interesting. So if you're interested in more DIY stuff, make sure to check that video out. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Peace.